Time, distance, speed, calculating time. Okay, you'll see on the left hand side of our video that we've got our speed, distance, time triangle, and that's just to remind us what we need to calculate each of speed, distance and time. In this case, we're looking at time. So we're looking to calculate time, and time is equal to distance divided by speed. Remember, there's a separate video specifically on how to use the speed, distance, time triangle if you need a wee bit of revision. Okay, let's look at our first example. A train travels at 240 kilometres at a speed of 40 kilometres per hour. How long does it take to cover the distance? Okay, first thing you need to do is take a wee note of the information that you've been given. The distance that the train travels was 240 kilometres. And the speed that the train travels at, well, we're told that too, and it was travelling at 40 kilometres per hour. Okay, that's all we need to work out the time. The time is equal to distance divided by speed, which is 240 divided by 40, and that gives us an answer of 6. And before we put the units in, it's always worth checking just to make sure that they all match up okay. You've got distance in kilometres, speed in kilometres per hour, that's ideal. The time, the answer that we've got, well, that's going to be in hours. Okay, let's look at another example. A cyclist travels at 50 kilometres per hour. She travels 112.5 kilometres. How long does it take her to cover this distance? Okay, so again, we start with time is equal to distance divided by speed. And the information that we've been told is that the distance is equal to 112.5 kilometres. We're also told that the speed the cyclist travelled at, well, she was travelling at 50 kilometres per hour. Oops. Okay, so we've got distance, we've got speed, we've got all we need to calculate the time in this case. Time is equal to distance divided by speed, which is 112.5 divided by 50, and that gives an answer of 2.25 hours. Now, there's another video which helps you convert from hours, written like this as a decimal, to a mixture of hours and minutes, or perhaps, if you prefer, a mixture of whole number and fraction to display your hours. So let's change it to 2¼ hours. And that's also equal to, just for completeness, 2 hours 15 minutes. Now, when you're asked a question like this, it may ask you to give the answer in a specific way. If it doesn't, then you can choose whichever way you prefer. It's not usually the case that you need to give the answer in 3 different ways, but we just show it here for completeness. Okay, so the key points to remember from this video: time equals distance divided by speed, and that when you're doing the calculation, it's always a good practice to convert time in hours into hours and minutes if necessary. Thanks for watching.